Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you in this video how you can enable PHP functions on Onhostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do here is to go to manage, and then from here we're going to have to go to advanced. Make sure you select your website from here, and then here in advanced, please select PHP configuration and go to PHP options. And then from here, if you don't want to add some functions, here in disable functions you can add functions. Okay, so that's pretty much what you need to do. Add, you can remove. If you want to remove, just remove a function from here. If you want to add, just add a function. So I hope you found this helpful. Just don't forget you save from here. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have more questions or suggestions for the next video, just leave your suggestions down below. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enabling PHP functions on your Onhostinger website builder. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next.